Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 every single minute on a platform called Validator.com, used by some of the most popular businesses such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all billion-dollar companies, by completing basic tasks and really earning good money. As I say, $2 per minute. And what you can do is, to verify this, if you go onto google.com, you can go and look at some of the reviews. And I know it's been a while since I've last uploaded, but this week has just been so hectic, I decided to sort of take a break. But now I am back with free videos for you guys, free content on how you can make money online and grow your channel or social media on a daily basis. So guys, make sure you subscribe down below to receive some awesome content. And what you can do is to validate and actually get proof that this application is paying its users is go and have a look at some of the reviews on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And you can see I've got the Validately app here on the iOS App Store, and you can see it's got a 4.5 out of 5 star rating, which is very good. And you can see the first person here says, I got $20 from this website on my Mac, but I did a mobile test. It took me like 20 minutes to do, and I didn't receive a message after completing the test saying that they revived my test. So you can see $20 in 20 minutes. That is very good money. That is $60 in an hour. And you can see this other person here says, I made a mistake on the mobile study, could not go back. This other person as well, 100% legit. I did a free quick mobile website review and got $50 2 weeks later. So I mean, for doing you saw a 20-minute test and earning $50, that is excellent money. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can earn this sort of money. And as I said, some of the biggest companies, billion-dollar companies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, all state are using this platform. And that obviously says that this platform is obviously very good, since big companies like this are using this platform to improve their products for their clients. And a quick overlook on how this works is, so basically how it works is you make money for every single test that you take. So you'll be asked to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts out aloud, and answer questions regarding a website or an application. So all you need for this to work is your laptop with a mic, your mobile phone with your mic, and you are good to start earning some free PayPal cash. So as I say, the first step is you need to sign up there at the top of this website. There's a big green button. Sign up, click here to sign up. You'll be asked to provide basic demographic information, start taking tests, so you'll receive emails offering money for feedback on websites and applications. You will then get paid for every test that you successfully complete. So frequently asked questions, you can have a look what people ask about this platform. You can see the first little paragraph is about what you need to get started. So all you need is a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android device. You must use Google Chrome. You need an internet connection. You need to be 18 years old. However, I'm sure if you sign up your account, you can enter an older age. If you are younger than 18, you must have the ability to communicate in English. You must have a PayPal account. And as I say, all of this is free to set up to start earning. And how often are new tests available? Tests are available daily, so not every tester matches the criteria for every test. So you may not be notified by every single test, but as it says, tests are available daily, so you might be able to get a test every single day. And then at the bottom of the page is the exciting stuff. Start making extra money today. So all there is a massive green button called Start Making Money. Once you click on that, it will take you to a page like this where you need to register your account, and you can see the device that you want to use. So iPhone, iPad, Android. I'm just going to go other, and I'm going to go Windows PC, and I'm using Windows 10. You can click your gender, what year you're born, so just enter all this demographic information. It will then pop up with a thank you page where you'll see you have been sent a confirmation with a link to your screener test. This is basically a test to make sure that you can get tested. To pass your screener test, you must just use Chrome browser. Do not use any other browser. Use a recent operating system, so anything above Windows 7 will be good. Make sure your microphone is turned on. Read each task aloud, speak your thoughts aloud, answer the follow-up questions, take the test in a quiet place such as where I am now, no background noise such as a TV, phone, music, or talking, etc. What happens next? They will review your 1-minute screener test in the coming week. You will get an email telling you if you passed or not. So if you pass, we will start emailing you websites to test. So once you're ready and click on this button, it will take you to a website like this. Make money testing websites from your phone. We are recruiting people to test websites from their home or office. If you are selected to join our panel, you will get emails about tests that you can take. So to be applicable, you need to take this quick screening test. It will only take 1 minute. Leave your real email so that they can contact you down below. As I say, only use Chrome. Once you're ready, click I will test websites, and they will ask you basic questions like, what do you think of the menu? What do you think of the fade in transitions? Basic things of a website, such as user experience, to more maybe detailed essential or components of the website. and how maybe you would improve it if you were a developer, and all sorts of questions like that, just to get a general idea of how satisfied a client would be with the current website or application. So that's the sort of questions you can expect. Once that's done, as I say, you will get paid via PayPal. And once you click next, you'll see there is a hide task. So this is where your task instructions will appear. So you need to make sure that you read this all the time and do exactly what they tell you. Click OK, I'm ready to begin the test. All you need to do is install the Validator extension to your browser, begin the test, and you will start getting paid. And I've also got a challenge for you guys where you guys can win a potential channel review and a shout out. So what I want you to do is click on the link down in the description below, where it will take you to the sign up page of the specific website, where I want you to sign up, create an account, and perform the test, and comment down below what you earn from this test, and whoever wins the most will win this channel review and shout out. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below what you think of it. As I say, comment down below what you earn, and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. It will really mean a lot. I really appreciate your support, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me personally on Instagram or Facebook. Otherwise, answer them down below in the comments, and I always reply to my comments and heart my comments. But subscribe if you're new to receive some amazing content on how you can make money online, grow your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, your Facebook page, or whatever it may be, and also how to succeed and make money online. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.